easy way to speak English. If you follow a few steps and habits to speak English easily, you can improve very quickly. Here are some effective tips. 1. Practice every day. Try to speak English for at least 15 to 20 minutes every day. Stand in front of the mirror and talk to yourself. Self-talk. 2. Start with simple sentences. No need for complex sentences. Use short and simple sentences. For example, I am going to school. She is my friend. 3. Listening and imitation. Listen to English movies, songs, YouTube videos. Imitate the sentences repeatedly. 4. Increase your vocabulary. Learn 5 to 10 new English words every day and use them in sentences. Example, word. Journey. Right pointing arrow sentence. My journey was amazing. 5. Focus less on grammar, more on conversation at first. It is okay if the grammar is not perfect. The main goal will be to communicate. 6. Make English friends. Ask friends or family to speak to you in English. If not, you can join an English group on WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord. 7. Use English in mobile. Daily work. Change the language of your mobile phone to English. Write notes, diaries, shopping lists in English. Thank you.